Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of focus during your brain app. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about the application of focus during your brain and you click here. Then we click on first stop and you click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Here we click on clear cache. Then we go to Play Store. You will search about focus. If you find update, then you will update your app on Play Store. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.